Currently, the sensor drone is connected to our phone. We can see that by blocking the light. Right now, the light illuminance is 104 lux. If I block the light, the illuminance reading drops to 0 lux. When I remove my hand, it comes back to normal. Here we are trying to see the effect of a vacuum cleaner on the altitude and pressure sensors. The vacuum cleaner we are using is a portable one used to vacuum cars. We're going to use this vacuum cleaner on the sensor and see how I can alter altitude and the pressure sensors. Current pressure is 99,124 pascals and the altitude is 186 meters. So let's see what happens when we apply the vacuum cleaner on the sensor drone. We just hovered the vacuum cleaner pipe around the sensors. The altitude remains constant at 185 meters and the pressure remained constant at around 99,120 pascals. So it just changed the pressure by a little bit. What happens when we touch the pipe to the sensors? So I'll try the device by the pipe so that the force is exerted. I will touch the device to the pipe so that more force is exerted by the vacuum cleaner onto the sensor, and we can see the effect. When we did this, we could see that the altitude increased to 197 meters while pressure decreased to somewhere around 98,000 pascals. Let's do this again. So the pressure decreased to about 98,000 when it was around 99,000. Well, the altitude increased from 197 to 197 meters while we were in the 183 to 187 range. So when we touch the device to the pipe of the vacuum cleaner, we can effectively change the altitude and pressure.